I'm gonna rise and run to the mountain, gonna shout out for praise and glory, gonna tell it all over again. I'm gonna spread joy over this land, gonna put my shoulder to the yoke, gonna work hard till the evening, then I'm gonna go down easy, gonna spread joy over this land, gonna lay my burden by the side of the road, help my neighbor pick up his load, and we're gonna walk though our feet are slow, and just spread joy over this land. I'm gonna spread joy over this land. I'm gonna cast the seeds from the palm of my hand, and though the light is weak and the soil is mean, joy rises up from a power unseen. I'm a-going down to the river to pray, walk through the wilderness and find my way. At my jubilant feet the path will lay, as I spread joy over this land. And to the wailing wall at the end of the day, leave my prayers like the good books say, and do what I can and get out of the way. I'm gonna spread joy over this land. Won't you come along, come and go with me? But if you won't go, let your children free, and we'll march on for eternity, and just spread joy over this land.